Azurite, malachite, and chrysocolla are secondary copper minerals that frequently occur together in natural geological formations, blending to create striking blue and green stones. In crystal healing, the combination is revered as a powerful tool for emotional healing, communication, and spiritual transformation. Chrysocolla is widely known as the goddess stone, believed to stimulate the throat chakra and empower authentic, clear self expression. Azurite is recognized for its ability to dissolve limiting patterns and expand the mind. And malachite, transformation, the stone of transformation, believed to absorb negative energies and assist in clearing emotional blockages. Now, these three minerals are formed from copper in oxidation zones. They're often fused together naturally, and when mixed with other minerals like turquoise, a blend known as the Elit stone is created, which is the national stone of Israel. So, the historical use in ancient civilizations, these stones were highly valued. For example, Egyptians used azurite to paint the eye of Horus and ground malachite as eyeshadow. So, they are most commonly sourced from Peru, specifically regions Arizona, Morocco, Mexico, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Azurite is going to be the deep royal blues that you see. The malachite is the rich banded greens, and the chrysocolla is the lighter turquoise. This represents a powerful fusion of deep spiritual insight and transformative emotional healing. The vibrant blue azurite sharpens intuition and inner vision, while the deep green malachite grounds those spiritual concepts into the heart, encouraging self-compassion. This encouraging self-compassion, release of past trauma, and courageous life changes. You have the power of the third eye activation. Azurite is widely known as the stone of heaven, and in spiritual circles it is used to stimulate the third eye chakra. This is believed to enhance clairvoyance, clear mental confusion, and connect you to your higher spiritual realms and universal truths. The emotional transformation, malachite, is heavily revered as a stone of transformation. It acts as an energetic cleanser that clears the heart chakra, drawing out negative patterns, grief, and repressed emotions to make room for growth. And the spiritual awakening. Practitioners often use azurite, malachite during meditation to deepen their connection with their higher selves and to break free from limiting beliefs and explore their own spirituality without the dogma. Malachite takes no prisoners, at least with your spiritual journey. A powerful conduit for energy, malachite cleanses the emotional body of trauma, whether from this life or a past life, and it teaches of emotional responsibility. Malachite asks that you take accountability for your feelings and helps you release patterns that no longer serve you. Look deep within the whorls and patterns of malachite to access other dimensions within yourself and explore different timelines and hidden messages. With chrysocolla, known for cleansing the aura of toxins, chrysocolla is a great crystal to use when experiencing high stress levels and burnout. The surface of chrysocolla resembles pristine oceanic views. This aerial vantage point helps you gain perspective on situations hitting too close to home. So take a step back when those situations arise, and remember to prioritize your needs first. Deeply connected to the energy of the earth, Chrysocolla reminds us to get in touch with our feminine side, the part of us connected to our capacity for unconditional love. The Malachite is to cleanse trauma, intensity, and transformation. It is the stone of Scorpio energy, Capricorn, and Venus. And Chrysocolla is earth and unconditional love. And a cleansing stone, Gemini, Virgo, Taurus, and Venus. Now, in powder form, it is poisonous, and this is a raw piece, so I will be washing my hands. When you handle this in raw form, just be sure to wash your hands. When it is sealed, it is okay and safe to wear. A lot of jewelry is made out of this stone. There you go.